What's up, my friends? Lucy the Prophet here, and today we're gonna be talking about the JBL Boombox. All right, let's get into it. First thing I want to talk about is the way it looks, because that's the first thing you're gonna notice. It comes in 3 colors: black, green, camo. Not the best options. Obviously, I chose the black. That's the one I went with. The other thing you would notice is that the cloth here, nice, but not really. I'm not really a fan of it. But one thing I can definitely say is that they maintain continuity with their design scheme. All their speakers, at least the portable ones, have the same design scheme. The flip, the extreme, they all have the same design scheme. Makes it simple, makes it easy to recognize. And then you have the JBL square logo on the front. We're gonna talk about some of the things it's capable of doing before we get into the sound. You have Bluetooth here, volume down, the power button, the JBL Connect Plus. This actually allows you to connect a left and right speaker. Also allows you to connect in party mode to 100 plus JBL speakers that have that feature on it. And then you got volume up, play, pause. Another cool thing that it can do is conference calling. So if you receive a call, you're able to take it on the speaker. Another thing that's really, really good and makes this a super good speaker is the IPX7 rating. That means you can take it down below water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes and it'll be perfectly fine. That is if you remember to close the flap on the back, because if that is not closed, it loses all IPX rating and it can't handle water. Another cool thing is that it has the 2 woofers on the side. A lot of speakers don't have 2 woofers. That's for the bass response. Has a nice tweeter as well, and nice regular speakers to handle the mids, okay? Now, since we're talking about the speakers, let's talk about the sound. The sound is really good. Definitely really good. It's definitely worth what it is you're paying for something so portable in retrospect to its actual size. You have, like I said, the 2 woofers and the speakers here. The sound is kind of more on the flat side with the bass heavy end of it, because JBLs have been known for their bass. The volume at maximum loses no quality in sound. A lot of speakers, when you put it to max volume, you lose a lot of quality. I'm all about quality here, guys, and I'm not gonna get anything that is not worth getting in the first place, all right? So we have the sound down, volume is good. Another cool thing I forgot to mention, because of the 20,000 milliamp hour battery, you're able to get 24 hours of battery life, as well as reverse charge. So you're able to actually, on the flap on the back, charge other devices by plugging in a USB-A cable and then your device on the other end. Another thing that it has is that it can switch from outside mode to inside mode. Inside mode reduces the bass a bit, and outside mode increases the volume it can get to, as well as increases the bass. I'm gonna have a clip where you can hear it here. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound. Right now, right about, you can see that halfway. In the sun, it's kind of hard to see. All right, so I'm gonna walk away. And you guys can hear the actual bass on it. And it's right now, it's in the outside mode. play something else. Thing I want to talk about next is some of the stuff I don't like. I don't like the fact that it only comes in the 3 colors. I don't like green, I don't like camo. And for an outside speaker, I don't like black for an outside speaker because that's what it's designed for. It absorbs heat. So if you have it outside on the beach and let's say you don't have an umbrella or something, and when it's time to go and you pick it up, it's gonna be hot. It's definitely gonna be hot. Even going outside for a quick second to even do the sound for you guys, it was hot to pick back up. The other thing I don't like for a outside speaker is the cloth material that they use. As you can see on mine, the sand gets stuck in it and it's pretty hard to get out. Another thing I don't like is if you've seen the Extreme 2 or the Extreme series at all, they have little hooks where you could put the strap to carry it. I wish they put the hooks, like I would understand if they didn't include the strap, but at least have the hook so that you can actually have the option to put straps on it to carry it. So it doesn't take up one of your hand slots if you're carrying a bunch of things to the beach. The other thing I'm sure you guys want to know is how much it costs. It's $400. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to an Amazon link where you can get it for yourself. $400 is a decent amount for a portable speaker, considering that it weighs about probably 3 to 5 pounds. It has some weight to it. So if you're walking for a good distance, you probably wouldn't want to take this. You probably want to take something smaller. So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the speaker, if you're getting the speaker, or let me know what speaker you have that would be a comparable comparison to this one. Catch you in the next one. Peace.
I've been making moves in silence, getting better with the timing. I rap for my change at the mileage. Never skated through life, man, I've always been grinding and grinding and grinding and grinding. Like I'm part of the clips, I got plenty of hits, but I'd rather keep rhyming. Making the music that's timeless, I'ma keep climbing.